Hey guys, Zexus here, and today in this video we are going to install a Christmas theme Legion Square into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Okay, this is the Christmas based Legion Square which we are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll be providing the link in the description below. We just need to click on download and download the script. Now we need to extract the file from here. Now open the file and open this file again. Go to FiveM and copy this folder from here. And now we need to paste this folder into a FiveM resource folder. We just need to go to files, resources, and I'll be pasting it over here just like this. And now we need to restart our server. So okay, now we are in our server and you can see our Legion Square is looking very great over here with this Christmas based Legion Square. And we can enter into this igloo as well. So let's enter into our Legion Square, and our Legion is looking very great, as you can see. And you can see there is a huge big Christmas tree over here, and you can see there is an interview platform over here. You can create a RP by taking interviews of people. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.